Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Devious Bad Boy, and welcome to tutorials. This first tutorial I am going to create is how to make a character selection. Not most people on YouTube don't or have not created this tutorial at all. There are some that do it, although it's quite confusing and it doesn't work the way I wanted it to. So I'm going to show you how I created it. And first you're going to need two characters in objects. So these two characters you want in your room, but you don't want them in your room at the same time, right? Yeah. So what do you do? Firstly, you're going to need another object. This object will be your character object. This one will say if global P equals true, then the instance change to player. Else, if global F equals true, instance change to player 2, or OF, the way I have it. So this right here, this object will go into any room you want it to. Be mindful that if you created another character and you have a camera or a gun with your character, you have to make objects for those to follow the character. I tried to make the same camera follow the different people. It didn't work out so well. So the best thing you can do is just make different cameras and different guns for your character. So pretty much with the character object, you place it anywhere, and that's where your character will spawn. Alright? So you can place it all the way up here, your character will fall all the way down. That's what you can do. That's one way you can do it. But before we head to the other way, I'm going to show you this room. This room is my character selection room. So pretty much with this object, if you press left click on it, will P equals true and the rest equals false. And this object would just stand in here. It's right there. This is one way that you can select characters, but if you want to lock your characters, then I have the perfect solution. Firstly, the sprites is going to be different. You're going to need two of these right here. How to get a shadow is that you copy this, you get a darker shade, and there you go. It's pretty simple. So back to the thing. So the way I have it set up is that firstly, in the create event, global F lock equals 0 and image speed equals 0. The step event, if global F lock does not equal 0, because this right here is in the creation code, meaning that if this does not, if this is there, it means does not. Else, if image index equals 1, var file open write save file var file open text open write save file text write real file those are files global.flock. Anyway, close the file. Else, this image index equals 0. Left click press. If equals 0, and you click on it, then the points will equal to the points minus how many points you want to get rid of. F lock plus 1. Else, if image index equals 1, F equals true, the rest equals false. And that's how I done it. But the save file, this right here, I put it in game. This one is persistent. and depending on how many characters you created, you may need more. I've created 4, 5, but one is going to be unlocked, so there's 4 macros. Save C. This one will ask if this one will be a constant, so it will be constantly opening and opening, closing, reopening the save files over and over and over again. This one is found in your room right here. This one is pretty much in your room, and it will constantly open and reopen, and it will keep on saving. So when you go back into it, the character will still save. It will still be unlocked. That's the way I found. So, start. So if global P equals true, you're going to go to this menu. Else, go to this menu. Yeah, I forgot to mention that you're going to make guns, cameras, and menus. These menus will tell you which one is selected, and we'll drop the player in. It's really helpful. Okay, so the other way that I found without using the character, but the camera and gun is still used. Pretty much in the new game, which is the first one, I did instance depth create. Just these 3. Just those 3 you need. The one right here, that's just a JSON code. I'm pretty sure you can find one on YouTube somewhere. It's really helpful. I hope this tutorial actually helps you. If you have any more questions, leave me in the comments below.